Today I'm going to teach you how to create a GitHub secret. This is particularly useful when you need to store sensitive information like API keys or passwords securely in your repository without exposing them in your code. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials to access your account. After logging in, look at the upper left panel of your screen where you'll find a list of your repositories. Click on the repository where you want to add the secret. This step is important because secrets are specific to individual repositories, ensuring your sensitive data is only accessible where it's actually needed. Once you're inside your chosen repository, direct your attention to the top toolbar. Here, click on Settings. This will take you to the configuration area where you can manage various aspects of your repository, including security settings. Now, in the left sidebar, you'll see several options for managing your repository. Look for Secrets and Variables, and click on it from the submenu that appears. Select Actions. This is where GitHub allows you to store encrypted secrets that can be used in your GitHub Actions workflows. Next, you'll need to click on New Repository Secret. This button will open up a form where you can input your secret information. It's the starting point for adding any new sensitive data to your repository. In the form that appears, you'll see a field for the secret name. Enter a descriptive name for your secret here. Choose something that clearly identifies what the secret is for, as you'll reference this name in your workflows later. Below that, you'll find the secret field. This is where you type your actual secret key or password. Whatever you enter here will be encrypted and stored securely by GitHub, keeping your sensitive information protected from unauthorized access. Finally, once you've filled in both the name and the secret value, click Add Secret. This action saves your secret and makes it available for use in your GitHub Actions workflows while keeping it hidden from anyone viewing your repository. And that's it. You've successfully created a GitHub secret that will help keep your sensitive information secure while still allowing your automated workflows to function properly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.